Hi, I'm Lisa. Welcome to Leles Designs. For this tutorial, I will show you how to make this expandable face mask. I made mine with 100% cotton on the front and the back. Go ahead and print my free pattern. It's down below in the description. Cut it out. You will notice I have these lines on the pattern. The top is for the inner fold, the next is for the outer fold, and it goes down. Inner, outer, inner, outer. Let me show you with the one I folded. You'll just fold it. This one's in, this one's out. This one's in, this one's out. Now if you're going to make your own pleats, you don't need to do the folding part. Just cut the pattern out. Go ahead and cut your material. 2 pieces. And for the sides, you want to cut 4. My fabric is right sides together. I'll put the top aside. I'll flip the bottom so right side is down and right side is up. If you choose to make your own pleats, you want to make sure it measures 4 inches from the top to the bottom. Then press it down. Another option you can do is take my pattern, place this on top, straighten it out. Whoops. Place your fingers under the paper like I have and push up, forming the pleat. See underneath? Repeat for the next pleat. Fold it, lift one more, fold it, grab your ruler, and you want to make sure it is 4 inches from the top to the bottom. Take it to the ironing board and press. You want to press it just enough to mark the indents in the fabric. Pull the paper out. Separate the fabric so you can press one at a time. Take it to the sewing machine and sew, starting just before the pleat and stop at the last pleat. Do the other side. And now do the same for this other one. You're just tacking this pleat down so you don't need to backstitch. I did my sewing off camera. Grab your 4 sides. We'll take one, put right sides together. And I'm going to go ahead and use pins in this video, and I know a lot of people say don't use pins, use clips, and if you have clips then use them, but for this video it's easier for me to do this with pins. Clips get in my way as far as showing you this demo, so I'm going to leave it up to you on how you feel about pins or clips. Match up the ends here, and I'm going to pin it, and if you do have to use pins, then use as little as possible. And so we'll just want to make it where it's curvy, just like that. Pin it to the end. Now we want to do that for all 4 sides. Got it pinned? Now we'll sew it. Sew right around this curve, sew around that curve, and do the same thing for this side. Here and there. Alright, open them up. You want to make sure your pleats are going in the same direction. Down, and then lay it on top. Match up your seams and pin it. Come to the other end, match up your seams and pin it. Flip it over. Match up your seams and pin it. And one more time, match up your seams and pin it. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to start here and sew right across there and stop. About a 1/4 inch from the edge. Do the same thing for the bottom. Go down and stop when you get to the edge. Off camera, I got the top and the bottom sewed, and now I'll turn it inside out. You can pick whichever end because they're both open. Grab your iron and press it down. If you're interested in the products I show in this video, I will list a link down below this video in the description so you could easily find it. If you do crafts, I highly recommend this iron. It's a one-touch steam and it's great for travel as well. Alright, now you want to press in about 1/4 of an inch on each end, just like that, and press. Do the same thing for the other side. Grab your 2 elastics, cut it to the size you need. Insert about 1/4 of an inch of the elastic and clip or pin it in place. Insert the other end and clip it. Now repeat for the other side. Take it to the sewing machine and sew straight down. Alright guys, once you got the sides sewed down, you are all done. It's that easy. This might have took 10-15 minutes, if that. It doesn't have a filter, but you could put a filter back here if you'd like. If you would like a filter pocket, I have another video. I'll post it at the end of this one, or you can find it down below in the description. Alrighty everyone, be sure to like and subscribe to this video, and please share this on Pinterest and your other social media so I can continue to offer free patterns and tutorials. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.